Hello, welcome to the workshop. In the previous video I showed you how to model a dandelion in SolidWorks. In this video I will show you how to design it for manufacture and print it to life. The manufacture technique that will be mostly used in this design will be 3D print, including some craft, but more details you will see in the video why I choose this material, this technique, and the end result, of course. If you like the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, just give it a like. This is the dandelion that we designed last time. To make it printable, I have divided on 3 different parts: the seed itself, the head, and the leaves. This is how our seed was originally designed. For the top area, I will use nylon and cotton string. For the middle, I will use acrylic fiber, and the bottom part will be printed. To make the bottom part printable, we have to suppress the features that we don't need now. As first, for printing, we need a flat area because it's very small, on which it will lay for print, so I remove the top dome. Then I make a shell with 0.5 millimeter thickness of the wall. Most of the printers don't have any problem to print 0.5 millimeter thickness of the wall. Lower thicknesses, however, are a problem. So now we have this hole inside in which we will place the fiber, but it seems too small. So it's 0.7 millimeter, our fiber is 0.75. We have also the shrinkage to consider, so we have to change a little bit the original shape. First I will increase this radius here, then I will increase this radius here, and I will make this a little bit bigger. With this size, we should not have any problems to assemble our seed. To assemble the seed, we take the printed part, place hot silicone glue here, and just push inside our acrylic fiber. In few seconds, it will set the glue and this part will be strong. Then we can paint the seed. I use acrylic paints. They are attaching very well to the surface of printed part. After that, we make the part with the strings with our tool and glue this whole part to the strings. And this is how it will look like. The next part is our dandelion head. It's looking like this. And we need just a small change. We can either change the original drawing or make additional hole. Here we need just a hole. I will make this as construction line, in which we will place our aluminum wire, which will be our stem. Our wire is 3 millimeter. I will make a hole 4 millimeter, so we have enough space around for glue, and we will make it 10 millimeter deep. I will just cut this part here, and this part is also ready, and we can save it as STL. The next part is the leaves and the stem. For the stem, I have decided to make it from 3 millimeter aluminum wire, on top of which I will place air tube, which is 5 millimeter. So any silicone tube will do the work as long as the outer diameter is around 5 or 6 millimeters. That's why I will remove this part. And we have to adjust only this here, so it's printable and we can attach it to the rest. Here also we need a hole. I will make this sketch. $4mm hole. Through this hole will go our aluminum wire. Here we need some additional distance for the leaves. Because they're going a bit up and we want them on the same surface as the flat surface, which will be the start of our print. Now we have to modify also the leaves. We will change the original sketch here. This will be deleted. This should be tangent with the sketch on the top. This coincident to the point. We needed just a little bit to go inside. So we have a start point somewhere inside here, and we can combine later with the main body. The other thing that we need is we will have a 0.5 mm thickness of our leaf, and we want it to end with this surface here. So I will make it 0.6 and tangent here, and when we check the sketches later we will do it in a way they're not going above this line. The next step we have to do is to change the sketches. Now it will build. So now when it's built, we can just combine everything together and our leaves are ready for print. This is how our finished dandelion is looking. Please don't forget to like the video. If you have some questions, write them in the comment. And if you want to support me, subscribe for the channel. See you next time. Bye!